Welcome to this tutorial on how to analyze meetings in Hubspot. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to access, track, and make sense of your meetings so you can boost productivity and manage your team more effectively. The first step is to open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. From here, log into your account using your credentials. If you've saved your password, this step will be quick and seamless. Once inside HubSpot, navigate to the Sales or Library section. This area contains essential tools and reports you'll need for meeting analysis. Within the Library or Sales tab, you'll find the Meeting Scheduler. This is where you can organize agendas and track all of your scheduled meetings, whether they are upcoming, pending, or already completed. Having everything in one place makes it much easier to manage and spot patterns in your team's activity. Now, let's move into the Meetings section for deeper analysis. Here you can review meeting data, refresh information to see the latest updates, and start uncovering insights about efficiency and communication flow. Consistently using this tool helps identify which meetings are productive and where improvements can be made. Over time, this kind of analysis can streamline workflows, strengthen collaboration, and ultimately improve business results. And that's it. You've just learned how to analyze meetings in HubSpot. With these tools, you'll be able to keep your team on track, save time, and enhance productivity.